Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, August 28. $50.4 million is being spent to upgrade the NEGRIL police station in Westmoreland. Among other things, the administrative area, barracks and cells are being rehabilitated. The Tourism Enhancement Fund is financing the project, which forms part of the Tourism Ministry's investment in the security sector. The ministry recently facilitated the installation of several closed-circuit television CCTV cameras in Ocho Rios. Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says his ministry has also committed $80 million to support the mobility of the police force this year.
This program that we're on is a holistic program because we realize that crime and tourism do not mix. And that is important into itself, but more importantly for us is the fact that we as Jamaicans do not want to live in a country with a high crime rate.
The Tourism Ministry has spent $240 million in 2 years on safety and security projects. The Jamaica Defense Force JDF Coast Guard has strengthened its operations following the receipt of maritime intercept vessels and tactical communication equipment. 2 37-feet Boston whaler vessels and equipment were handed over to the JDF from the United States on Wednesday. They were made possible through a security partnership with the United States Southern Command Counter-Narcotics Division. U.S. Ambassador to Jamaica Luis Moreno says the vessels and equipment will boost the JDF's capacity to patrol the coastline and intensify the fight against drug trafficking and organized crime.
We'll help empower the JDF Coast Guard to patrol the Jamaican coastline in a comprehensive manner. With the delivery of 5 additional similar vessels throughout the rest of the year, the JDF and Coast Guard will be able to greatly increase the frequency of coverage of their operations.
National Security Minister Peter Bunting and representatives of the JDF thanked the United States for their continuous cooperation on security-related matters. The Education Ministry is replacing 135 damaged or defunct metal detectors in secondary schools as part of measures to keep school grounds safe. Director of Safety and Security in Schools Sergeant Coleridge Minto made the announcement on Tuesday while at a JIS think tank.
It is our intention that all schools at that level have in place a metal detector to be used to prevent weapons and metals and objects from coming into the school to be used as a tool against other students or persons on the school plant. It's not to infringe on their rights, but it's to ensure that when they send their child or children to school, they can remain safe and go back home to them. He said deans of discipline were being trained to use the devices. Sergeant Coleridge also revealed that the ministry was reviewing the use of metal detectors in primary schools. An advisory board has been established to guide the activities of the Jamaican Girls Who Code program. State Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, Julian Robinson, made the announcement at the recent awards ceremony for 40 primary school students who participated in the 2015 Jamaican Girls Who Code Summer Camp. The camp is an initiative of the Technology Ministry. Minister Robinson says the advisory board's immediate plan is to get the girls to continue utilizing the coding technology in their communities.
One of our objectives going forward from this summer camp is to see how we can roll this out on an island-wide basis, and also to piggyback on the Tablets in School project, where some of the young ladies are at schools that are part of that project, to see how we can develop clubs at each of those schools.
And finally, students in and around Bull Bay will continue to benefit from an after-school program at the newly refurbished community center in Windsor Lodge. The program is coordinated by the Hope Foundation and is supported by the Constituency Development Fund. The fully computerized community center was renovated at a cost of nearly $12 million with funding from the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, the Sports Development Foundation, and the Canadian partner Yellowbird Foundation. St. Andrew East Rural MP Damian Crawford says the center will also support the work of his 3-2-1 program, which aims to increase the number of residents earning CXC, CAPE, and degree programs.
We'll be having shuttles from Harbourview to 10 Mile, which is the end of the constituency, and all students who are interested and their parents will be able to register them here, and they will be doing special homework programs, accessing the computers, and we have 3 of each book from first 1 grade to 6th form that persons who have challenges in purchasing their books will be able to access here.
The Ministry of Education has also assigned 2 literacy specialists to assist students who are reading below their level. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.